Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adam. If you love luxury fashion, they're definitely gonna love my channel. So make sure you like, subscribe, and check out my Instagram below for all of the latest updates. And today, let's get right into it. So we currently have 1 week before Christmas, and I love Christmas so much. Now I won't lie, I usually spend 1,000 on my mom, 500 on my brother, and 250 on my dad. However, this year I did get my mom a beautiful Versace jewelry set for $1,200, but I think I got it on sale for like $480. But I'm so excited because we all know that I love my mom so much. She is like my holy grail. So of course she does get that Versace. But I also did get myself a wallet too for Versace. So it was a very Versace Christmas. So without any further ado, let's take a sneak peek at my mom's Versace Christmas gifts. It is a very Versace Christmas because I did get my mom a couple items. We do have 3 shopping bags for her and 1 for myself because I could not resist. First, let's start with bag number 1 and see what we have inside. And I actually think this one might be the necklace. For Versace jewelry, you do get 2 separate boxes. You do get the actual like cardboard one that slides up and down. But then of course you do get the beautiful one that does open very nicely. When you open it, we do have the beautiful mother of pearl Medusa necklace. And this is honestly so beautiful. Now this does have the plastic on, and I don't want to take the plastic off until my mom actually gets a chance to open it. But we do have the Greca border going all over the sides right here. We have a beautiful pink marble background, and we do have the obvious giant silver Medusa right in the center. For the necklace, I'm not actually sure how much it did retail for, because I did get everything half off. Plus, my essay kind of hooked me up with an extra sale as well. So I'm not entirely too sure what I did pay for these, but I know they are, I think it's about like a $1,200 set, but I got it for maybe like 400 altogether, all of this. So it's really not a bad price at all. But I will have a picture up on screen just so you can see a really great detail photo of the necklace. Now let's see what is in the second bag. And this one, I actually think this one might be the ring because of the ribbon on the packaging. I'm actually wrong, and it turned out to be the earrings, but these are such beautiful earrings. As you can see, again, just like the necklace, they have the Greca print along the border, the beautiful pink marble detailing, and the lovely silver Medusa. These are so cute. Now, when I seen these, they just immediately looked like my mom. I just immediately imagined her in them. So I was like, obviously, I have to get them because it's meant to be. Again, there's such a beautiful pair of earrings, but I do know that the sale price was $220, if I'm not mistaken. So I think the actual price would have been like $480. The third bag must be the ring to match the beautiful set, and a good way of telling is actually the sticker on the side of the bag, so I will remember that when my mom opens this on Christmas morning. Now specifically for this specific ring box, it did not come with one of these boxes, which all my other Versace rings, like this one right here, did come with that. However, this one does have this cute little thing to like go ahead and cover it on both sides, so it is very cute in that sense. Just like the rest of the set, this does have the beautiful mother of pearl detailing on it, the Greca border, the beautiful pink marble, and the Medusa. However, the ring itself, I think the ring alone was 180 on sale. I think this is also maybe like $400. I think every piece here is probably like $480 sold separately. So again, it's like a $1,200 set. So to actually wear the ring, it's so cute and it's so pretty. Now, the funny thing about this is my mom actually never wears rings. So to be honest, this ring is kind of going to be for me. But if she ever does wear a ring, she does have the entire set. But it's kind of like a little loophole for me too, because I have so many cute pink outfits that this could totally go with. So I totally love the fact that we can share, although we do share everything, bags, jewelry. Here with the entire set, it's just so cute. Is this not like the cutest little pink set ever? My mom is totally gonna love this. And then last but not least, I did get myself a Versace wallet. Now you actually may have seen this in my Rodeo Drive Versace shopping vlog, such a good vlog. I did see this, but as soon as I left, it actually ended up going on sale. So I was like, you know what? It's obviously a sign that I am going to order this. So I ordered it. For this wallet, it's in this beautiful calfskin leather with this cool effect on it. Kind of gives it like this cool texture and does make it good for like scratch resistant. I love the fact that it's silver hardware because it's so rare to find Versace with silver hardware. So I absolutely love it. There's no back pocket, but it's totally okay because you just go ahead and zip it, and it's really cool on the inside. So the inside of it, of course, you have the one giant open compartment for cash and quarters, but the cards, you do have to put the cards in the very back because it is kind of tight if you do even put the cards right here. So I do recommend putting them in the very, very back, but it's so cool because I don't know what exactly I'm going to keep in this because I really do love my YSL wallet. But if I did get a secondary wallet, this was totally the one. So I don't know, I just had to have this for my collection. I don't know what I'm going to be keeping in this specifically, but I am really, really excited to find out and use it. And this one, I totally love it. Now, the price of this was $500. Yet again, I got it on sale, so I think I got it for like $200. So that's actually a really, really good price for this. But I totally love this and I'm excited to use it. So when it comes to Versace specifically, these are all of my Versace gifts, so you could say it's a very Versace Christmas. However, I do have a feeling when I unwrap presents under the tree, I myself may be getting more Versace. Of course, the jewelry, it's so cute and it's so precious. I honestly love the pink color, especially because my mom wears pink all the time. So it's honestly gonna go great with everything she wears, and she has a lot of pink handbags as well. So it's just gonna be so cute, and I'm so happy for her. But then also, I get to wear the ring too, because she doesn't really wear rings. So I thought it would be really cute if I wear the ring and she wears the necklace and the earrings. That way, we kind of match and have like a matching set wherever we are. So I just think it's cute and I think it bonds us. So I do think that is like a very cute, lovely fact. But again, thank you so much for watching. I truly do appreciate it. Comment down below what you thought of this jewelry set and my cute little wallet. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below. Have a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays, and au revoir.